Hi viewers, welcome to our channel where we explore the world of outdoor living and design. In today's video, we shall be showcasing the beauty and functionality of a spectacular pergola patio. If you are looking to transform your outdoor space into a stunning retreat, then stay tuned. You step outside and are greeted by a breathtaking view of nature. With a pergola patio, you can create an outdoor oasis right in your own backyard. It's the perfect place to relax, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of great outdoors. The design possibilities for a pergola patio are endless. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or more rustic, natural vibe, and pergola can be customized to suit your personal style. You can choose from various materials such as wood, metal, or vinyl, and even incorporate decorative elements like hanging plants or fairy lights. One of the key advantages of pergola patio is its versatility. It can serve multiple purposes and adapt to different seasons. During the warmer months, it provides shade from the sun, allowing you to comfortably enjoy your outdoor space. In the cooler months, you can add retractable curtains or screens to create a cozy enclosed area. Imagine hosting a memorable outdoor gathering under your spectacular pergola patio. Whether it's barbecue with friends, a family celebration, or a romantic dinner for two, the pergola provides the perfect setting. With ample space for sitting, a dining area, and even a built-in bar, your outdoor entertaining options are endless. Not only does a pergola patio enhance your outdoor living experience, but it can also increase the value of your property. A well-designed and well-maintained pergola adds curb appeal and attract potential buyers. It's a smart investment that pay off in both enjoyment and release value. When it comes to maintenance, a pergola patio is relatively low maintenance. Regular cleaning, occasional sealing or staining, and inspecting for any repairs are all it takes to keep your pergola in top shape. With proper care, your pergola will stand strong and continue to provide beauty and functionality for years to come. We hope you have enjoyed this glimpse into the world of spectacular pergola patios. If you found this video inspiring, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more outdoor living ideas and tips. Don't forget to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or any question you may have. Until next time, happy outdoor living. Thanks for watching.